Right, here we are at 10. Let's go to 9. These are the brand new, newly modernized elevators at the Market Street parking garage in San Antonio, Texas. The modernization on these elevators is complete. Here we are at level 9. Let's go to 1. Let's look out the window again. And we're stopping at 8. Going down to 1, right?
Yep.
Stopping again. Yeah.
The instant inventory.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, now we'll go back up to 9 and we'll watch the numbers. Here we are at level 9 again. Now we'll go back down to 1. Now let's get a cab view. Just your basic parking garage elevator. It looks like we got new lights, glass is clean, brand new fixtures, brand new floor indicator. The phone is now built in. That's where the phone used to be. Very helpful directory. Swing the bell. And look at that. And there it goes. And that is it.